for Empath Einzelgängers, the best financial advice you will ever get. If you're an Einzelgänger, you need to make yourself financial independent. Why? I know you do not care about money when it boils down to, but you should. And why is that? Because you as an Einzelgänger wants most peace of mind and freedom. That is your highest value. And you can buy freedom. And how do you do that? By whatever comes in every month, you pay yourself first, at least 20%. Not first the bills. I now know that sounds like, what the fuck do you mean not first my bills? I have to pay my bills. You can diminish your monthly costs significantly without you even feeling it. For instance, where you can pay yourself first is with your subscriptions. Go through all your paid subscriptions and cancel 90% of them. And that money you pay is part of your pay yourself first. Whatever you do, the rich and wealthy only got wealthy and rich because they spent every month a lot less than comes in. And the difference, they invest in assets. So if you do that as an Einzelgänger, then you will live in 3 to 5 years the freedom that you yearn for so much, you know? Okay, that was it for this one. Never, ever, ever, ever forget that you are the gold, my dear. See you in the next one, eh? Bye.